Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Incredible India. In this video, I am explaining about loan and loan company in USA. A personal loan allows you to borrow money to considerate high rate debit, finance a large purchase or cover emergency expenses. If you have strong credit and a steady income, finding the best personal loan for you needs, especially if you can ensure a low interest rate could save you thousands. Here what you need to know about choosing a personal loan lender and getting approved. Best personal loan company: Sophie, PenFed, Marcus, Lightstream, Payoff, Upstart, Best Egg, Earnest, TD Bank, and US Bank. These are some loan companies in USA. When you shop around the best personal loan rate, you can save. Compare personal loan offer with national average personal loan trend to know whether you have found a competitive interest rate. You could pay a higher rate or a lower one depending on your credit score. The average personal loan rate is 9.52%. The last week average rate was 9.12% rate as December 10, 2021. What are personal loan? A personal loan is a lump sum you can borrow from a bank, a credit union, or an online lender and repay over a fixed amount of time. Unlike a credit card or line of credit, personal loans are typically unsecured, which means they are supported by your creditworthiness rather than collateral. Collateral is an asset such as car or house a lender may use to recoup its losses if you default on a secured loan. You can get a personal loan from different type of lender, including traditional brick and mortar bank or online lender. They are serve borrower which varying credit score, income level and other requirement. Pro and cons of personal loan. Pro: depending on lender, borrower can potentially receive funds from personal loan in as little one basic day. Personal loan can help borrower consolidate high rate credit card debit and pay it off faster at a lower interest rate. Personal loans are delivered or in a lump sum. Personal loans are typically unsecured, so the borrower doesn't have to use collateral. Cons: depending on the lender, borrower may have to pay originate fees or even pay prepayment fee. A personal loan may have higher APR than other options such as 0% credit card or a home equity loan, depending on credit worthiness or other factors. Personal loan may be difficult for consumer which fair credit or below to obtain. Who can get personal loan? Lender often set a minimum requirement that borrower must meet. When you apply, the lender will likely look at your credit score, payment history, income and debit to income ratio. If you are forbearance and unemployment, the lender may ask you to documentation that indicate when you are returned to work, such as your letter or job letter. Age eligibility requirement can vary by lender, by state or territory law. Generally, consumer must have 18 to apply, but some state may require borrower to be 19 or 21. If you are applying for secured loan, the lender will also consider your collateral. Should you can get personal loan? There are a smart way to use personal loan, although these loans won't work for everyone. A personal loan may ask sales. You need to refinance or a credit card to lower your interest rate. Credit card refinancing is one of the best personal loan options. You can consider a debit contribution loan if you have higher rate credit card debit. If you are qualified for a personal loan, With a low interest rate, you can pay off your debit faster and spend less on interest. You have emergency expenses. Rather than taking out a higher interest payday loan to cover unfurnished bills, you might be able to get a personal loan fairly quickly, since lenders disburse fund as soon as 24 hours after approval. You need to make a large purchase such as an appliances before taking out a loan. First, check whether the retailer or manufacturer offer financing at a better rate. A personal loan might not be right choice if you want to update your or repair your home. Personal loan also can be used for home improvement loan, but you may find better option. Consider a home equity loan. Then tap the equity builds up in your home. Home equity line usually have a lower rate than personal loan. You want to take a vacation or make another type of special purchase. For some expenses, saving is better than taking out a personal loan. If you are struggling to save our expenses such as wedding or vacation, pause spending until you can pay in cash is best. Where to get a personal loan? Personal loan are available from brick and mortar bank or credit union as well as online lender. A bank or credit union could offer personal services, especially if a loan is nearby. But online lenders sometimes offer more conveniences, especially for consumers who prefer to apply, manage and close personal loan online. You can pre-qualify for loan offer but providing some basic information so the lender can run a soft credit check. After you will compared loan term, amount, fee, interest rate and other factors from multiple online lender, you can formally apply for loan, which require a hard credit check. If you are approved, you may receive your personal loan quickly from online lender in some cases, as soon as the following business day after approval. Strive to obtain pre-approval from a variety of lenders so you can compare rate, terms and other factors for different type of personal loan. What are the best personal loan companies? The best personal loan company offer low interest rate, favorable loan terms and flexible payment option. Because each lender has distinct terms and conditions, you should know what you want to personal loan before you start comparison shopping. Consumer can choose the best of personal loan by doing their research, shopping around between multiple lenders regarding to fine print and selecting a loan that they know they can offer to repay. An easy place to begin a check that lender is licensed in your state. Make sure your lender can offer personal loan where you live. Then you can compare these key factors to help. Thanks for watching my video. Those who are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel Incredible India and press bell icon for new video notification.